Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you a simple and effective remedy to get rid of dark underarms. So what I have here is my lime. Okay, I'll be extracting my lime juice to start with. You can as well use lemon if you don't have lime, or if you feel that lime is too harsh for you, you can use lemon. Okay, just that you are going to get a faster result with lime. So squeeze out the juice of your lemon or lime. Lime is very effective in lightening the skin, so this is going to help you. It's going to help you to also smell good. It will not just help you to lighten the area, it's also going to make there to smell good. If you're the type that you sweat excessively and you end up having body odor, this remedy is very good for you because it will help to stop that body odor. Give it a try. The next is my turmeric. Turmeric also helps to lighten the skin. So combination of these two will give you a very good result. So I just took 1 full teaspoon of turmeric powder. So mix together, combine the two together, make sure you mix it properly. And the solution is ready for our dark underarms. Just use this with a cotton wool. Use a cotton wool to apply it on your skin, on your underarms. Apply this and leave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash it off and apply a moisturizer. If you have Vaseline, please use your Vaseline. It's going to give you a better result. Apply your Vaseline on that area, okay, on your underarms. And within short time you notice how your underarms will become light. So just be consistent with this, continue doing this, and you will notice a very good result. Don't forget, this will also help you smell good. Yes, this will also help you to smell good. Store the remaining one in your refrigerator, and if you don't have a refrigerator, you can make smaller quantity. Okay, you can make smaller quantity. And if you find this helpful, please click on that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.